storms or stars?
Total eclipse or total bust?
Imagine darkness in the heart of the day, as a cosmic dance between the moon and sun leaves us in awe.
Birds fall silent, crickets chirp, and the air chills.
But here's the twist. Before we gather for a family eclipse party in Indiana, nature erupts. Tornadoes hit the whole area, and severe storms threaten our once-in-a-lifetime experience.
Will the wonder prevail, or will tempest steal our joy?
Join us on this heart-racing ride as we chase the eclipse with our RV.
Click in now.
I'm ready. What are you waiting for?
Our adventure began days before the eclipse. We left the warmth of our paradise in Melbourne, Florida, just to chance a cosmic rendezvous with the 2024 total eclipse. We were invited to stay by Jerry's cousin Kim and his wife Kathy. This is the first eclipse in the continental United States in 7 years. The last one occurred on August 21st, 2017. So when we say chance, we mean it. The weatherman was predicting terrible weather, and just days before that the surrounding areas was damaged by severe tornado outbreaks. But this is a once-in-a-lifetime event, because it won't be visible in the United States again until August 12, 2045. We arrive reminiscent of a scene straight out of a holiday classic, Christmas Vacation. Setting up camp with our RV in Kim and Kathy's driveway, just like Cousin Eddie. We have some more family there, so we embarked on a journey that would intertwine family bonds with the magic of the cosmos. Our first stop is for cookies and donuts at Apple Hill Orchard.
It's what's for breakfast.
Kim and Kathy take us for a ride on their golf cart downtown to see all the eclipse festivals and fun activities. The great news is the weatherman was wrong. Today looks like we're gonna have fantastic weather. The storms will come tomorrow instead. The Old Cathedral was built in 1826 and stands on the site of 3 previous churches. 4 of its past bishops are buried in the crypt, and the cemetery is the final resting place for over 4,000 early citizens of Vincennes. Across the courtyard is the oldest library in Indiana and contains over 10,000 rare volumes dating back as far as 1319. The eclipse celebrations are all centered on this riverfront downtown area of the George Rogers Clark Memorial. On February 25, 1779, Lieutenant Colonel George Rogers Clark, older brother of William Clark of Lewis and Clark, led the capture of Fort Sackville. The heroic march led the victory over the British and remains one of the most memorable feats of the American Revolution. I love you.
Remember the 2 cans and a string? Maya's voice traveled all the way around because of the circular smooth marble.
You didn't find it? Wow.
Behind you. Oh. It is amazing how slow it moves, and it's not going to be totally dark until after 3. Isn't it? Oh, I can't see you. I can't see anything.
Thanks so much for watching.
Yes, YouTube has picked these 2 videos for you. The great news is both of them are ours.
Please, let us see you on the next video.
Here we are on the next day. My cousin Kim doesn't know I still have keys to the golf cart from running my campground in the past.
Where did everybody go? There was lots of people here yesterday.
Don't forget to give us a like.